Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help for You. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to synchronize the windows on a Vauxhall. So this one is an Astra J, however, it doesn't matter on if it's a Corsa, an Adam, an Astra, any Vauxhall, even the Insignias, does not matter. And the fault code that it might shot is code 59 and code 60. Now, if yours is a 5-door, it's still the same method. Unfortunately, this is a 5-door, but it's only front electric, rear manual, so we will only do the front procedure. Fault code on ours has already gone. Yours obviously will not have. If you've got the newer cars, they do actually give you the instructions inside. I know the Insignia tells you put the driver's window and all this stuff to program it, and it is really simple. You don't need any diagnostics tools or anything. All you need to do is put your key in the ignition, turn your ignition to the second position, which is just before starting the engine. Your code would come up. You'll then go to your door, and all you do is grab your first driver side switch, push it all the way down so your window's gone down completely like ours have. Let go of it. Now push it all the way back up. There's no duration for letting go, but I recommend within 5 seconds you should be pushing back up again. Now over to the passenger side window. Again, from the driver's door, so we haven't changed the door, we're doing it on. That's gone all the way down, and now straight back up again. And now at this point, as it's going up, ours has gone up completely. If yours is 5-door electric, you then would go for the switch, which would be here, which would be the driver's side rear. You would do the same, push it all the way down and then back up again. Once the window's gone down, then back up again, and then same with the passenger side. Once you've done that, the fault code itself may clear off, or it may just need a little bit of a push from you, in which case all you would do is turn your ignition off and turn it back on again. Now, if you don't do it properly, it might take you more than one try. However, it does work on all the Vauxhalls, and our fault code's gone and hasn't come back. So it's literally as easy as that. Anyway, guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.